So when we store the order, we should clear the shopping cart. So right after this, we can call this .cart service .clear cart. But I have a problem with this approach. If in the future we add another component in our application that allows the user to check out, we should remember to call this method right after calling store order. Otherwise, our application will be an invalid or inconsistent state. Let me clarify what I mean. So here's our homepage. Imagine in the future, we're going to add a panel on the right side. And in this panel, we're going to display all the items in the user's shopping cart. Below these items, we're going to have a button called Quick Checkout. Let's imagine we know the shipping details of this user because they have previously placed an order in this application. So we're going to have a button on that panel called Quick Checkout. When the user clicks that button, we should call store order and clear cart. If we forget to clear the shopping cart, our application is going to be an invalid state. So in my opinion, the proper place to clear the shopping cart is inside the order service. So whenever we place an order, our order service will ensure that our application is in the right state. So I'm going to delete this line. Let's go to order service. First, we need to inject our shopping cart service. So private shopping cart service of type shopping cart service. Now here in store order method, instead of returning the result immediately, we want to store it in a variable. We need to await this promise. And of course, we need to mark this method as async. And then we can return the result. However, before returning the result, we're going to call this the shopping cart service .clear cart. Also, I would prefer to change the name of this method from store order to place order. Because storing order only indicates that this method is going to store an object in Firebase. But this method is doing more than that. It's orchestrating. It's storing an order, but also clearing the shopping cart. With this implementation, anywhere we call the place order method will ensure that that order is in Firebase and also the shopping cart is empty.